Hi everyone, Peter from Chocolate Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making catapults and the targets. So you're going to want to start off by making your catapult, and you're going to get your lollipop stick and your elastic bands together. You're going to need to put 5 of the lollipop sticks together in a pile, like that. Then you can put an elastic band on each end. There's one, and then one on this end. So next you're going to get the other 2 lollipop sticks, put one underneath and one on top, like that. And you get another one of your elastic bands, and then you're just going to wrap this around both these sticks and the pile of sticks, and then you just keep going round, putting them all together. There you go, just like that. And then your last elastic band you're going to use on this short end here. So you leave them right along there, you need a short bit here, and then you're just going to wrap your elastic band around. So you're going to get your plain piece of paper that you've got from your pack, and then you can just cut that up into some smaller pieces, just like 1/4 of a sheet. Doesn't need to be accurate, this is just your ammo. And then you can crunch that up into a little ball, and then that's your ammo. So you can just hold both sides, and then you can fire it. So your next step is to make your targets. So you're going to colour them in, and you want to put a number on, so you can add up and play a game. And then you're going to cut them out and fold them on the dotted line, and that's how you make your targets. Now if you're struggling with your catapult with firing, you can use a bottle top. You can glue that on there, and then that'll keep your ammo still. But you can just hold it on there, it works just fine. Oh, I missed. Now you're all done.